Hello grade 2, I welcome you to the class of math. Today we will learn different ways to show numbers. So our objective for today, to apply place value concepts to find equivalent representation of numbers. So let's begin with a fluency builder. Write 3-digit number in expanded form using the value for each digit. So, if I tell you to write 215 in another way, how will you write it? You will say the value of 2 in 215 is 200, the value of 1 is 10 and the value of 5 is 5. Let's play with another number. 327. What is the value of 3 in 327, children? Very good, it's 300. What about the value of 2? It's 20 and the value of 7. Now let's look at the daily routine, which is problem of the day, and the number of the day for today is 461. Again, it's 461. Now children, whenever you're writing a number, automatically in your mind what should come? That 461 is 400 plus 60 plus 1. Okay, and how do we do this? By using words. Remember, in science we learnt one problem has many solutions. Similarly, in math, one number can be said in many different ways. So here's how we'll write it in words. 461. Now I will show you different ways of writing, another different way of writing a number. Here are two ways to show 148. Now as you can see, there is a chart of hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, so 148 obviously can be written as 100. So there are, how many hundreds are there in 148? Is 100. Then there are 4 tens and 8 ones. This is easy for you now. Okay, how about another way wherein we don't put any hundreds, but instead of putting hundreds, we move the 1 to the tens place and make it a 14. Okay, so as you can see, I have put 14 tens and 8 ones. 14 tens and 8 ones also give me the same value, which is 148. Alright. Let's move on to page number 118, share and show. What are we supposed to do? Use quick pictures to show the number in a different way. Write two ways to show how many hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, so here's the first one, 213. So obviously how many hundreds are there? We have 2 hundreds, 1 10 and 3 ones. Now let's write it in a different way. 2 hundreds, we'll keep the hundreds the way it is. How about not keeping any tens, and we will keep a 0 here, and we will put the 13 in ones. So as you can see, we have put, instead of putting 110, we've decided not to put any 10, we put 0 there and we put 13 ones. So isn't that easy? We are just playing with numbers. I told you this in class many times, that if you play with numbers, you'll really enjoy math. Now looking at this and looking at the model that I showed you before, you're free to pause the video to understand it better. I would like you to attempt on your own, which is on page 119. Write how many hundreds, tens and ones are in the model. I would like you to try this on your own. Clearly, as you can see here, we have 100, 4 tens and 4 ones. If you've tried this on your own already, you will see it that instead of putting 4 tens, I have put 3 tens and 14 ones. I'll repeat. Instead of putting 4 tens, I have put 3 tens and 14 ones. Wasn't that simple, children? Very good. Now I would like you to do number 4 on your own. That one Miss will not show you, and when you come to class I will correct it for you. That brings us to the end of the lesson. I would like to ask you a question. How can you use blocks or quick pictures to show the value of a number in different ways? Well, you can regroup hundreds as tens, tens as hundreds, tens as ones, or ones as tens. That's what we did. We wrote numbers in very many different ways. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Good job, everyone. Thank you for your dedication and hard work. You awesome. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.